Google promised that Antigravity 2.0 would revolutionize agentic coding. Instead, they quietly split it into two separate products: Antigravity 2.0, the agent manager, and Antigravity IDE, the editor. But unbundling is not a redesign. What we actually got was two broken products that feel rushed, disjointed, and missing the core improvements developers expected. Look at the core changes. The unified IDE is dead. Antigravity 2.0 is now a standalone desktop application focusing entirely on multi-agent orchestration, while the VS Code-based editing environment has been relegated to a separate download. The promise of a seamless agent-first editor is replaced by the reality of swapping windows to sync state. To be fair, Google did ship new features under the hood. They introduced dynamic subagents instantiated on the fly, scheduled tasks for background automation, a Go-based terminal interface to replace the old Gemini CLI, and a Python SDK for running custom agent harnesses programmatically. It is all powered by the speed of Gemini 3.5 Flash. But in practice, developers are hit by massive migration hurdles. Past conversations, scripts, and logs from the version 1 IDE did not port over cleanly to the new desktop manager. The community is vocal about the frustration of losing context, effectively forcing users to start their agent sessions completely from scratch. The deprecation timeline is another source of friction. Google gave developers a brutally short window to migrate from the old Gemini CLI to the new Go-based anti-gravity command line. Shutting down the legacy CLI on June 18, 2026, broke build scripts and CI pipelines worldwide. And then there is the cost. While Gemini 3.5 Flash is exceptionally fast, running parallel dynamic subagents burns through context windows and API limits at an alarming rate. Without proper throttling controls, developers are reporting massive token spikes for simple debugging runs. My verdict is simple. I deleted both of them. Breaking a unified tool into two separate, uncooperative programs with no core user interface improvements is a poor product decision. Until Google focuses on a unified, co-designed user experience rather than rushed feature checkboxes, Antigravity 2.0 is a step backward.